today is a big day. Right now I'm going to disassemble this engine completely and to see the real condition of it. And if something's wrong, I'm going to take the engine in Croatia because I'm going on a vacation, and if there is something wrong I can let it repair down there for pretty low amount of money. And in Germany this would be really expensive. Yeah, we'll take the head off, the oil pan off, and to check the crankshaft and the camshaft, and yeah, stay tuned. And the moment of truth. This is clean. This is the first Grundzahlen. It looks fine. It looks alright. We don't have any scratches here. We don't have anything like that. There is everything fine. For 190,000 kilometers, it looks pretty good and clean overall. First bad news. This oil looks like he just got some water in it. He mixed water and oil. Yeah, that's the main reason why am I going to disassemble it, to see where is it coming from. Yeah, I think this is water. Great condition, almost like new. At least something. We do have some wear on this timing chain guide, but in worst case we can use it again. This is not so bad. So first thing first, I'm going to take the oil pump away, and then first, second, third, we will take the crankshaft bearings off and to see the condition of it. So this looks fine. It's not perfect. It's not best condition. We still have some marks right here, but this gray color, this is still there. Can we check if this is the original BMW? Yeah, can you see it? I think so. We're going to check this number to see if these are original or if someone already changed them. And this camshaft looks alright. But anyway, we need to measure it. First thing first. And if my friend said this is everything alright, then we are going to buy new bearings and polish it a little bit and put it all back together. So this looks pretty good. Voila! And the moment of truth. So the cylinder number 3 has some small watermark on it. As you know, that's not ideal when you have something like that in your engine, but this is a cast iron block, and that means we can bore it and put new pistons inside of it with any troubles. This is not aluminum, this is not something shit engine, this is really massive stuff, and I hope we can get it away with just clean and we'll see. But otherwise all the other cylinders look really good. You can see some shaving marks everywhere. We have no teeth here on the top. Absolutely nothing. Yeah. This is really great. Even the cylinder number 6 doesn't have it. Anyway, we are going to disassemble it completely and then we will check what we can do about it. Now we can pull the pistons out. This upper bearing has seen some better days. Yeah, not so great anymore. But the pistons, they are not so bad. We can see some slight marks over here, but this is not terrible. first thing first, we are going to measure it, and then we can say these are still okay, or we can use it, or we need new ones. Right now I cannot say anything, but this looks pretty good. The crankshaft looks okay. It's not perfect, it's not too bad. We still have some marks here. I can slightly feel it under my nail. And let's see the other ones. We have something here. I can feel it. This one is better. And the last two ones. This one has nothing. Neither than this one. Yeah. Not perfect, but still in a good shape, and yeah, we'll see if we get some new bearings, what we can do about it. Tutto finito, caputo. This one looks like new, but I'm sure only this one. Or not. Not anymore. And I don't know what it is. It can be that the engine oil got too hot and the bearings wasn't able to hold it on, and they started to melt. So there we are. Not the perfect condition, but that was not what I was expecting. But it looks pretty good for 190,000 kilometers, and I'm pretty sure all the owners had pretty heavy leg. And yeah, but it still looks fine. We can save it. We can polish, maybe. Camshaft looks good. No marks or something like that. Just a normal polish. And this is going to be all like new. So that's it for now. In 2 weeks I'm driving on a vacation in Croatia, and I'm going to take all the parts with me to a machine shop, and there we are going to measure all the stuff and check what do we need to buy new, and to decide what are we going to do with pistons and engine block and head and stuff like that. But anyway, this is going to be all new, almost everything. Yeah, that's it for now from me. Big thanks and subscribe. Big thanks to all subscribers. I never thought that I'm gonna get almost 700 subscribers for few videos, and I am really thankful about that.